Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add modern features to your Mercedes such as wired or wireless Android Auto, CarPlay and even mirroring, all while keeping the elegant look of the original navigation system. The product is called Module Box. It's quite affordable, easy to install, and if you use the discount code below you'll get 20% off, valid for 8 months from the date this video is published. The module box can be installed on many Mercedes models, but for this tutorial I chose this 2011 W204 equipped with the NTG 4.5 navigation system. Let me show you what this product is all about. You can purchase the module box online from the company called AutoABC. You will find a link in the description. You'll also find modules for a wide variety of other car brands and models. In addition, they offer Linux screens for multiple brands. I can guarantee that these products are much faster and stable than most aftermarket navigation systems. I will now browse for Mercedes dedicated products. Select the navigation unit that matches my car and buy the module box using the discount code. If you're not sure what type of navigation unit your car has, just send them a photo of your dashboard and navigation screen. They'll help you identify it. You'll receive a package that contains this box. Inside, of course, you'll find the module box itself. On one side, it features several special ports and a toggle switch, while on the opposite side, there's a port for the Wi-Fi antenna. You'll also find the main wiring harness, which connects your car's original navigation system to the module box. Keep in mind the male quad lock connector, because this is where we'll install the optical fiber cable. This is the female quad lock connector. Here we have an AMI connector for auxiliary audio. There's also another set of cables, but from this set we will only be using the USB port cable and the one for the microphone. Then we have the LVDS cables and of course the Wi-Fi antenna. The instruction manual in English is very well done and includes all the steps for installation. However, you probably won't need it because you have this video tutorial. Even though it may seem there are a lot of cables, I can guarantee everything is plug and play, and if I was able to install it, you can definitely do it too with no issues. And if you get stuck at any point, AutoABC also provides great tech support. That's it for the unboxing. Let's move on to the installation. For this installation, you'll mainly need a plastic trim tool, a pick tool and a T20 bit with a small ratchet wrench. The first step is to insert the pick tool into the right air vent and release a locking clip from the inside. Be patient, I will show you how this clip mechanism works in a few seconds. Then gently start removing the plastic panel on the far right. Do the same for the left side clip and remove the entire center panel along with the air vents. This is the clip you need to pull on, and this is the ideal point of leverage. Next, unplug the hazard button connector. It has a small locking tab on top. Press it while pulling the connector out. Set the panel aside. Now remove the two T20 screws. Due to their position, you'll definitely need that small ratchet wrench. The screws are quite long, so at the end you'll need to use your fingers. It took a bit of time, but I managed to get them both out. Then use the pick tool or a flathead screwdriver to tap out the metal clips that are usually stuck to the upper plastic. Just tap this silver area where the screw goes in. Do not hit the black plastic around it. Let me show you a quick segment I recorded later so you can see exactly how this works. The screw goes inside this metal clip and pulls it upward to secure the radio unit. It's the same on the right side. Now you can remove the head unit. I then unplug this cable on the right side to have more space behind the unit. It also has a locking tab you need to press. For the male quad lock connector, press down on the black lever and pull it back. I used a flathead screwdriver to help. On this side, you'll find a fiber optic connector, which we'll need to transfer to the male quad lock connector that comes with the module box. From the right side of the unit, unplug the gray LVDS connector by pressing its small locking tab and pulling it out. To unplug the fiber optic connector, use the pick tool to press this black tab and pull it out. Here's the tab you need to press. Now we transfer the fiber optic cable to the same position on the male quad lock connector from the module box. The female quad lock connector from the box will now connect to the original male quad lock. Obviously, the male quad lock connector from the module box, the one we've moved the fiber optic cable to, will plug into the original head unit. Let's move on to the LVDS cables. Take the gray LVDS connector and plug it into the blue female LVDS connector. One end goes to the original head unit and the third one connects to the module box. Now I'll take the module and connect the USB port cable. Then screw in the Wi-Fi antenna, it's very easy to attach. We now have only two ports left, one for the third LVDS connector and one white power connector for the module. These will need to be routed under the dashboard to the footwell area. For that, you'll need to pull back this carpet lining and cut a small section of foam. As I mentioned, I'll feed the two connectors through the back of the unit, and under the dashboard there's a small opening that allows you to do this. Pull the cables through as much as possible, and even while inserting the unit, because it's going to be a tight fit for the radio unit. Now we can plug in the last two connectors and test if the module is working properly. Don't forget to plug the jack labeled mic out into mic in. Let's put the original unit back in. You'll need to tuck the bundle of wires and both quad lock connectors somewhere underneath the head unit. Also, don't forget to reinsert this small connector before inserting the unit all the way. I won't screw it back in yet. First, I'll turn on the ignition, wait for the main menu to appear, and then press and hold the back button to activate the module. Everything works fine, so I can now finalize the installation. I quickly reinserted the screws and reinstalled the air vent panel. As for the foam, a cutter didn't work well, but I was able to strip it away easily using just my fingers. It took some fine-tuning, but I managed to reposition the carpet and the installation is now complete. All that's left is to pair your phone with the module via Bluetooth. Grant a few permissions and enjoy CarPlay or Android Auto apps. To navigate through the menu, of course, you have to use your joystick. For audio, make sure to enable the use of the car's Bluetooth in the module settings. Now I'll leave you with some clips showing the module in action. You'll see that the audio and video quality are excellent and the response time is very good, even over a wireless connection.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Drive safely. Make a U-turn. Then turn left. Reminder, turn on your headlights.
To wrap things up, installing the module box was quite simple. You keep the OEM look while gaining access to Android Auto and CarPlay, both wired and wireless. Mirroring is also a cool feature I like to use. The wireless connection is fast and stable, plus the video quality is excellent, crisp, clear and responsive. All in all, it's a smart upgrade that brings your car's infotainment system into the modern era. If you decide on buying this module box, don't forget to use the 20% discount code I provided. Also, making this video tutorial took a lot of work, so reward my effort with a simple like, comment, share or subscribe. It's completely free. Bye bye.